In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up alerts on Webull. Setting up alerts is a fantastic way to stay on top of market movements without constantly watching your screens. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just beginning, these alerts can help you make timely decisions by notifying you when a stock hits a specific price point. Let's dive in. To start, you'll need to open your Webull desktop platform and sign in to your account. Make sure your login details are handy as you'll need them to access your account securely. Once you're logged in, navigate to the stock chart where you wish to create an alert. This chart is your main tool for tracking the performance of the stock, and having it open will allow you to set specific parameters for your alert. Now, with the stock chart open, move your cursor to the price level that you're interested in tracking. This is the critical step where you decide the price point for your alert, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just stay informed. Choose a price level that aligns with your trading strategy. Once you have your cursor at the desired price level, simply right-click on the chart. In the menu that appears, select Create Alert. This option allows you to customize how and when you receive notifications about the stock's price movements. After selecting Create Alert, you'll need to decide whether you want the alert to trigger when the price moves above or below your selected level. This decision should be based on your specific goals, whether you're looking to capitalize on upward movements or protect against potential declines. With these parameters set, take a moment to review the alert settings. Double check that everything aligns with your intended strategy. It's always a good idea to confirm your choices to ensure you'll be notified under the right conditions. Once you're satisfied with the settings, confirm and save the alert. From this point forward, Webull will keep an eye on the stock for you. When the stock reaches your chosen price level, you'll receive a notification allowing you to take action promptly. And there you have it. That's how to set up alerts on Webull. This simple process ensures you're always in the loop and can react swiftly to market changes. Thanks for watching and happy trading.